Hi guys, and welcome to 131 Merivale Lane, Christchurch. Merivale Lane is in one of Christchurch's most expensive suburbs, being Merivale. It's in the core of very expensive housing, very expensive schools, and it's a very sought after location. This is a pretty exciting project because we don't normally get opportunities in locations like this. Now the development consists of 18 1 and 2 and 3 bedroom townhouses. The ones start at 450, the two 620, and the three 750 to 760. Now this location has a mixture of very expensive large homes, old granny flats, and old wet and leaky townhouses that need to come down. So you're getting into a product price point at the bottom. The product's the latest and greatest, being latest construction. And you're talking about, again, one of those suburbs where your professional tenants, your retirees will be your end paying of rent. There's only 4 left in this complex, so get in quick. They are projected to be negative cash flow because of the location and because of the level of rates that you'll be paying in this location. However, long term, over the next 20 odd years, this will be one of the safest plays you can make from a cash flow capital growth point of view, assuming your supporting income funds this, and that's what our ICR process does, our investment capacity report. So 131 Merivale Lane, one of our largest builders is doing this project. We don't normally see something like this in a location like this for this sort of price, and we can't really see how it's not going to have growth over the coming years. 131 Merivale Lane, check it out on our website. See you soon.